So in this, we will look at how we can style the list. So the list markup tags, UL for unordered list, OL for ordered list, and LI for list items are some of the most frequently used specific purpose tags in HTML. So there are a few CSS style properties that are available for this list. So first is the list style type. So this governs the little list marker that is usually positioned on the left of any list. So for an ordered list, there are several popular values such as disk, circle, square, and none. So this is an example of how you can use the list style type property with its value. So this is an example HTML code, and this is what it looks like if you use this value. So for disk, this will look like, the list would look like this. For circle, square, and for none. And also for ordered list on which we use the OL tag, you can choose different ways of having the numbers shown. Whether decimal leading 0, lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, upper alpha, as well as several of the world's languages such as Armenian, Georgian, Chinese formal, and others. So just put this value, just use this value for this list type property. So these are the results if you use the style type property for your ordered list. So this is for decimal leading 0, for lower Roman, upper alpha, and some Chinese formal. Another property is the list style position, and this is a property that specifies the position of the list item markers, or the bullet points. So the two values are inside and outside. So they govern whether the markers are positioned inside the box or of the list or outside. This is most evident if a border or background or similar is applied to the list. So here's an example. So we have put a blue border on the list, and this is what it looks like if you use the outside value, and this is for inside value. And there's also the list style image. So this property specifies the type of list item marker. The little markers on the list can also be customized to be an image of your choosing. So this will require you to have a small image in a web-compatible format like PNG or JPEG as recommended, and to know the path from the place where the CSS is being defined to the image. So image path names were covered in lesson 2, and we'll be discussing them again in the background image section of this course. So this is an example and how you can use the list style image, and this is how you can put a value for this property, in which we'll see you use the my triangle PNG, and this is what it looks like. So note that the browsers will do little more than draw the image. So there is no guarantee to scale the image or assist with spacing or alignment. So many users find a list style image to be frustrating and instead use the background image CSS property, which has more options. There is a lesson dedicated to the background image property.